Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rejoin a group on WhatsApp after you have been removed from that group, for example, by the group admin. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. It is super simple. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the WhatsApp app, for example, on your Android, and here on your home feed, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. On the following page, tap on account here. And after that, guys, you will be given access to a list of options here. So all you will need to do, guys, is to change your current number to a new one. So to do that, tap on change number here at the bottom. And with the new number, you will be able to rejoin the given group with no problems at all. So simply follow these instructions here. Tap on next down below. Enter your current number here at the bottom. That's the number that has been denied access from the group you would like to rejoin. And simply enter your new phone number here with the correct country code and confirm by tapping on next at the bottom. In the following, you will receive a one-time verification code via text messages to confirm that you have changed your number on WhatsApp. So do that really quickly. And once that's done, guys, you will be able to rejoin the group you have been removed from with your old number. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.